Athena? You like the snow? Yes? Do you want a blueberry? Alright, I'll give you one. That's all you can have. It's for the chickens. Sick? Ooh, that's cold, isn't it? There you go. Don't spit it out, it'll freeze. Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I made some oatmeal and with blueberries for the chickens. It's nice and warm. Thought I'd warm them up and show you guys the garden. It's pretty, isn't it? I can't wait till it's time to plant again. It's so sad seeing it like this, but we have to go through winter. Right, Athena? You like the snow? Do you like the snow? Is that a yes? Okay. She loves the snow. Don't let her lie to you. All right, we're gonna try to get in the run here and give the chickens an oatmeal. Looks like they're inside. Hi, girls. All right, your gate's getting stuck again, and we got some friends in here, don't we? Some stowaways. Sorry guys, I don't mean to make you dizzy. I'm trying to hold the gate and shut it. It doesn't want to shut. Yeah, we got a turtle dove stuck in here again. I don't know if it's the same one, but they keep getting stuck in here and they go down to that corner and then I have to pick them up and take them out. So, did you girls build an igloo or tunnel or something there, it looks like? Did you? Did you do it, Marshmallow? Yeah, okay, I got some oatmeal with blueberries. You want to try it? Here, we'll put it right here by your door so you don't have to go very far. Oh my, oh my. Girls, come out and get some blueberries. They're going to be gone. Oh dear, it's a fight. Oh wait, here, let's say pumpkin one. Is there one in there still? Oh guys, pumpkin didn't get one. Oh my. You have it all over your you have it all over your beak. Oh wow. Pumpkin, you missed out. They ate all the blueberries. I'm sorry, I probably shouldn't have put them in there. I should have handed them to you. Sorry, Pumpkin. Alright. I'm glad you guys like your oatmeal. Must be good. I'm sure it's sticky. I don't think I'd like eating that with a beak. Let's see, did the turtle dove get out? Nope. She's still in here. Can you guys see her over there in the corner? She's on the branch with the bridge swing. I can't catch her with holding my phone, or I'd catch her while I was holding on. Come here, sweetie. I'm gonna have to help you. You're gonna hurt your wings. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to get off of here and help her get out. We've never had a problem with turtle doves getting in here, but I'm thinking it's the snowstorm brought all of these birds out. They're all looking for food, so I'm gonna have to get her out of here again. And their water is looking good. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. It's working. So they've got fresh water. I don't have to worry about that freezing anymore. That's a big help. And their food's right there. So this thing, it was pretty nice sheltering their water and food bowls. We've never had this before, so I'm glad that, sorry, I didn't know you guys were zoomed in. I didn't have this last year, so I'm glad we built this. I don't know how long it'll last, but it works pretty well. Oh, I'm glad the sun is out because it is freezing. Freezing out here. See, the turtle doves are coming in I believe, through this gate here. I don't see any holes in the netting, so they have to be coming through this gate, and there's no way we can block that, or then we can't open it. So I don't know what else to do about that. Yes. You guys don't like the snow, do you? I don't blame you. It's cold. And you have no boots or socks on your tootsies. They're all red. All right. Well, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I just wanted to say hi and let the girls say hi and let you see them eat their oatmeal. They seem to enjoy it. Well, some of them. The other ones say they're not coming out in this no matter what you give them, which I don't blame them one bit. All right, guys. You all have a good day and keep warm. I'm going to get this turtle dove out of here again. All right? All right, guys. Come by.